Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another edition of the Plant Room. As you can tell, today we are not in the plant room. We are actually in my bathroom. And we are going to attempt to repot and combine these two monsteras into one pot. So if you like this type of content, stick around. All right, guys, as I mentioned in the intro, we're going to try to repot this Monstera, and I want to take 2 seconds to introduce my lovely granddaughter.
Hi.
This is Denaria, and she magically showed up today, so I am going to use her to help me with this because I know that 4 hands will be better than 2. Back to this Monstera. So this plant came in a pot from Home Depot, 1 pot. I took it upon myself to separate her and put her in 2. As you can see, she's growing and thriving, but here's my problem. She's getting too big, and my goal is to combine her back into 1 pot, a huge pot, and see how she does. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she'll continue to thrive. The pot that I chose was just a regular old pot that I found at, I think I got this one at Walmart. And as you can see, I have made a ton of holes in it simply because I want to make sure, because it's so deep, I want to make sure that she drains well. So I even made a hole in the lips and around the sides to help promote some airflow. I don't want the water to sit here. I want her to drain freely. And as a soil medium today, I will be using some of her soil, but I have mixed up. I've got, as you can see, I've got some large perlite. I've got small perlite. We've got charcoal, cocoa bark. I meant to say cocoa husk. I've even got some few leca balls in here. There is no dirt. It's cocoa peat. We've got some charcoal. I've got some worm castings, all of the good stuff to make a nice airy mix so that when I do water her, that water will drain straight out of her. So, with all that being said, me and my girl D about to get down on the ground and see how we get these 2 babies up out of here. Give us a second to reposition ourselves and we'll be right back. All right, guys. So, I guess I was right in my assumption that this bad boy needed to be repotted. As you can see, she was quite root bound. We're going to try to take off just a little bit of this and free these roots up just a little bit.
1 eternity later.
So, guys, I'm curious. When you go to repot your plants, are you finding that your roots are like this mass ball? What do you do? Are you soaking them like my granddaughter suggested? I think, potentially that's a great idea. But, I don't know. I don't want that mess. So, let's see.
Yeah, that's like not budging. I don't
You
want
know what? Just stick your fingers in there.
Okay.
And do the shimmy.
Oh, that's working.
Yeah, just get a finger in there and shimmy. I think we found the secret sauce.
We gotta figure something out. It's loosening.
I think so. I can feel it. It doesn't feel as compacted.
Yeah. All that dirt is shaking out. The little bits of it.
Turn it a little bit. I know, sweet boy.
Is it heavy for you?
No, just trying to find the good place to grab it and not break anything. Be ashamed of her crack on me after all this time. Let's see, a little bit of spanking. You know what, D? I think we're gonna go with what we got here.
It's better than what it was before.
It is. Let's see. You want to hold it for me?
Yeah, I got you.
You got it?
Yeah.
Give her a little bit of support up here.
Okay. Yeah.
There you go. All right. So, you know me. Got to use a little bit of her. Just a little bit.
How'd you make those holes? It was like a heat.
Yeah. I used a soldering iron So let's see how high she sits. Oh Lord, trying to get both of these are in here is gonna be okay, wait. No. Take her out of here.
Okay. Yeah.
Jesus. I thought I had me a big enough pot for both.
So if it turns out we can't fit them both
I'm
in,
gonna put one.
it will probably need to be this one.
Yeah, because it's more root bound.
Yeah. Needs more dirt. Or your mix. I don't want to call it dirt.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I am disappointed. I really wanted these two bad boys together.
Would it work if you put one like closer to the bottom and one closer to the top?
No, they kind of need to be at the same level.
Okay.
Like right there when we put her in there, I think that was actually too low.
Mm-hmm.
I think, in all honesty, she needs to sit like right about there. Mm-hmm. And even still, that is not enough room for both of these plants.
Yeah. And both roots would end up like that, huh?
You know what? Hold her. Let me get something. I don't think I have enough dirt for both of them anyway. So guys, I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't think my master plan of putting them together is gonna work, which is very inconvenient. Shit. Let's see. Oh, shit. You know what, Denary? I think we can get both of these in here together.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. Just need to raise that dirt up a little higher.
Okay.
Here, hold her up here. Because she seems like she wants to snap, and I don't want her to snap.
Yeah.
Right there.
A little
bit more of this. I'm going to put them together, and if I see they start to decline, then I'll separate them. But I am determined that they be in one pot, because I just don't have the space for both of them to be like that.
Is that the biggest pot you have?
It's the biggest one, but it's specifically for them. Let's see where that fits now. Oh, okay. Maybe just a little bit more dirt. Got her?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try that one more time. Oh yeah.
That's good.
I think so. Can you hold her and let me try to position the other one in here and see what we get? And as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and...
Oh yeah.
This was her hole, so...
Leave it there.
Yeah, don't go right back where it was.
And you want it like this?
Yep. Let me give you a tie. Let's try to get one here. I'll get those arms stronger. And then force her. There. Can you tie that?
Yeah.
I'll hold it. Does it fit?
It's a little too thick. Yeah.
It's holding somewhat. All right. Now you hold her there. And let's see if we can. Guys, I know I'll be repotting this once again in about a year because There is a lot of root mass in here, but I'm okay with that. If I can get them both together, I am pushing it, but
You want me to lift this a little bit?
no, does this, see?
Oh yeah, no, it's good.
It's good. Now let's see if they're both facing the right way. Okay. Is she straight? All right. Awesome.
Yeah, it worked out. Nice.
Okay. So let's make sure these roots are in here. Poof. You want a backfill or you want a hole?
I'll bag fill.
Okay, I'll hold. Can you?
You want me to incorporate some of that too, or just?
Nah, let's just use that. Can you look from the front and make sure that they're facing? Do they look right?
Yeah.
Are they fake? Okay.
Yeah, this looks really good.
Okay, cool.
Might need to fix it on that side, the leaves, but that's easy.
I think we might make it with the dirt too.
I don't want to pat it down too much, but
So just pour it in and then together we'll shake it to make sure it gets in between the roots. Well, I mean, you could have done it the way you were doing it.
Oh.
I was just saying, don't worry about packing it.
okay. I'm gonna come over on that side in a minute.
Okay.
I'm just over here.
I can turn
Make
it
sure
a little
we have it
bit.
even.
Just make sure I'm staying straight.
I think they're good. I'm gonna turn it this way a little bit.
Hold on. Let me reposition my hands. My hands are caught. There. Here, I can turn it.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, that's really good. Perfect.
All right, so hold on a sec.
Okay.
I'm going to hold the plant and you lift the pot and tap.
Okay.
You got it? Tap, tap.
Was that good?
Yep. We lost our ties.
Oh.
You don't want your stems to be buried. And what you see me doing here is making sure that they're not like under the ground. I don't know. I think in my opinion, you know, I feel like if the stems are buried, you might cause some stem rot. And we don't want that. Not after all this. So right now I'm just moving that dirt around, making sure these stems are not buried in the dirt. But I think she looks good. What do you guys think? All right, guys, so the magic of pause. We've cleaned up the bathroom floor and we want to present to you the combined plant. Now, I know you're probably saying the leaves aren't all facing the right direction, but as soon as I clean her off, because I want to clean her leaves and put her back in her position, she'll sort herself off, finding the light. So if you have any comments for me or any suggestions of something that we could have done different, don't forget to let me know. Hit it, Dave.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Guys, thank you for visiting the plant room. Talk to you soon. Bye.